Introducing the 2018 Nissan Versa Note. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a trip computer, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.